What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Inspiring Charm, providing you one inspiration at a time. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. For those of you who are coming back, thank you very much for your support. I do appreciate it. Hello, my lovely people. Welcome to another video. So, as you know that January is the month that we will be doing the entire month of vegan dishes. So today I'll be making a very nutritious breakfast for the children or for the family, but it is strictly vegan. If you want to see how I will be doing that, stick around for more. So some of the ingredients that I'll be using in my breakfast this morning. I'll be using almond milk, spinach, seed for additional protein, honey, chia seed for extra fiber, blueberries, strawberries, avocado, banana, and half cup of oatmeal. So these are the ingredients that will be in one person's meal. So I'm making them individually. So I have the strawberries and blueberries over there, 1 cup of almond milk, some washed spinach, half of a banana, a third cup of oatmeal, 1 tablespoon seed, chia seed, half of avocado, and I'll be using a teaspoon to a tablespoon of honey. Now, let's get going. Depending on the size of your family, this could feed 2 of your children or 1 adult. Let me show you what my son will be drinking, the amount that he will be drinking this morning for his breakfast, and this holds him for about 3 to 4 hours. If it is too thick, you can always add ice or more milk to it. If it is not sweet enough, you can always add some more honey to that. Why not make it all nice and dandy for that little special person in your life? So this is how my son will have his smoothie today. There you have it, another veganuary idea for you to try at home. Guys, remember to like, share, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you're taking on the veganuary challenge and how is that going for you. Bye for now. See you in the next video.